News Pinpoint Weather.
Okay.
Nice brisk morning for that walk.
It sure will be. Boy, am I the only one that has a heater running?
I just moved into a new place, and I was telling Vanessa today, it doesn't have heat. So I'm going to have to utilize the fireplace. Thank goodness it has one, right? I've been freezing. I've been wearing UGG boots around my house. So if you're headed out to that walk, you might want to put on some furry boots yourself. Definitely bundle up with a jacket or a scarf, even if you're headed out just for a few minutes to walk the dog, because it is cold. In Oceanside right now, it's 44, Ramona 39, Poway 42, Hamul 54, Mount Laguna 42, and in San Diego, we are waking up to 55. That wind advisory still in effect, and we're seeing it really picking up in the coastal foothills. 35 to even 45, 50-mile-per-hour gusts possible. So let's show you wind gust futurecast. So this is 5:30. We're going to be seeing 25-mile-per-hour gusts in Mount Laguna, Julian 22, and I want to fast forward to after that advisory will expire at 2 this afternoon. This is a look at 8:30. Warner Springs will be seeing gusts still of about 14 miles per hour, but dying down to about 5 miles per hour in Ramona, still pretty strong in Escondido. So we're dealing with those windy conditions until this afternoon, as we just saw, but the clear skies will remain until tomorrow night. We could even possibly see some showers. We're waiting for this low pressure system from the northwest to drop down into our region, bringing us the potential for showers tomorrow night all the way through Tuesday afternoon. So at the coast today, looking for a high near 76, just a little bit warmer than yesterday, cooling down to 55 overnight. Chilly 75 tomorrow and 57 for the low. And then look how cool it's going to get Monday and Tuesday, dropping back into the 60s, but everything will be clear and pretty much perfect for Veterans Day as we see sunshine and 75 for the inland communities. 79 today, 77 tomorrow with that chance of some PM showers Sunday. Monday 69, Tuesday 67 for the mountains today, windy and 61, deserts your high 78 degrees.
Weren't we just complaining how hot it was?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're freezing.
Here we are. Too cold now. Jeez, we can't make up our minds.